for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can delete your Instagram account. First step, open Instagram on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're here, just press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you press the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy and then press Account Center. After pressing Account Center, this will appear, so just press Personal Details where you'll see the option about account ownership and control. Again, just press this and you'll immediately see the option or setting about the activation or deletion of your account. Here, just press the account that you want to delete and then you'll be given an option if you want to deactivate your account, which means that you can easily reactivate it anytime or permanently delete the account. So if you want to delete it, just press delete account, then press continue, then you'll be asked to enter your password. But since my account does not have a password, it will ask me to create a password. However, if you already have one, Instagram will simply ask you to enter your password, and just like that, your account will be deleted. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.